Today we're going to prepare a recipe that will win over your taste buds. Start by taking a cutting board and slicing 2 pieces of onion. Once that's done, remove the board and let's get into the frying pan. Pour in a good drizzle of olive oil and add the onions. Stir well and let them fry until they are golden and irresistible. Meanwhile, take a bowl and break 4 eggs into it. Season with salt, black pepper, paprika, and dried parsley to taste. Mix everything together with a whisk until smooth. Now add the browned onions to the bowl and mix again. For a special touch, add chives to taste and stir some more. In another frying pan, pour a little olive oil and add the mixture. Cover and cook for 5 minutes so that everything is well cooked. After this time, with the help of a plate, turn the food over in the pan, cover again and cook for another 3 minutes. Uncover, remove the pan from the heat, cut the snack into pieces and it's ready to serve. So, did you like the recipe? Subscribe to our channel and don't miss any delicious news. Oh, and take the opportunity to like this video to help us bring you even more amazing recipes. See you next time.